Want to spot outliers in your data instantly? In this tutorial I will show you the fastest way, no formulas needed. I'm using a dataset with public investment as a percentage of GDP for a sample of world countries in 2024. It's a great example because investment levels vary a lot across economies. Start by highlighting the column with the investment percentages. Then go to Home, then Conditional Formatting and Color Scales. I choose a green, yellow, red scale. Excel instantly shades each value based on how high or low it is compared to the rest of the dataset. Deep red highlights countries with unusually low investment levels. Deep green highlights countries with very high investment levels. Middle values fade into yellow. This makes extreme cases, the outliers, stand out visually in seconds. There are other formatting rules you can use besides color scales. Here, I copied the investment column and will apply another rule. For instance, you can switch to data bars if you want mini charts inside each cell. This is another way to instantly spot unusually low or high values. We immediately spot the high value for Papua New Guinea, for example. And that's it. Outliers revealed instantly, ideal for quick economic analysis. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and share if you found it useful.